Hi, I'm Simon from Bazaar. Here at Bazaar, my job is to help companies like yours save time and money. How, you ask? By performing our expert assortment analysis service in your company. Do you have the feeling that you're using countless C-parts and have lost the overview? Do you believe that your assortment of fasteners contains redundant or unnecessary elements and variations? Are you wondering how much time and cost you could save if your C-parts were streamlined? We can help you. Managing a smaller number of different fasteners will of course simplify your sourcing processes. Streamlining fasteners and optimizing the bill of materials can potentially save you a lot of money. How does it work? We'll help you eliminate unnecessary elements. We'll look for similarities where substitution is possible. We'll reduce complexity in purchasing, warehouse, and assembly. We'll define your assortment to pick from. And we'll show you how big your savings can be. Our expert assortment analysis will have a significant effect on your overall productivity by saving you time and money. At Bazaar, we call this proven productivity. Get in touch to find out how we can help. Contact our experts at www.bazaar.com.